People who own Shiba Inu coins, welcome back to the program. There are some important things to talk about in this movie about the price of the Shiba Inu coin. There are also experts who say we might be about to see an epic comeback rally. In this video, we'll talk about that, tell you everything you need to know about SHIB's prices. You all know that Shiba Inu needs Ethereum more than anything else right now. Ethereum isn't moving. Bitcoin's popularity has kept going up. I think that will happen at some point. That is just my view. It is not financial advice. Please only use this for fun. I'm just a TV host on YouTube, but I do think Ethereum will finally start to make progress against Bitcoin. After that, everyone will be looking at ERC20 coins. Both SHIB and Pepe have huge market caps, so they should see a lot of growth. An important meeting. Now, this story is interesting, so guys, stay with us in this video. Hit that like button. What we're working on and what we're looking at are both very interesting, okay? When we're trying to figure out how to move through the cryptocurrency market, we always want to have as much knowledge and as many points of view as we can get. That's why I want this movie to be seen by a lot of people. You guys can do it. Write something down there and click the like button. Let's get more than 1000 people to like this. And of course, please subscribe to the channel so that you know whenever we post a new movie. The SHIB is almost at a golden cross right now. This is the case of the price return we're talking about. You wrote about this today, a week ago, different events that might cause the price chart to show a golden cross. This is being looked at a little more closely now. So it's been 7 days. A lot of ups and downs have happened with the price of SHIB. We had a big drop yesterday, which was 2 days ago. A big pull down 2 days ago. Friday was a big sell-off. We heard about Tether when the SEC or the US government said they were going to look into it. This has been in the news before. It's a bit of a FUD attack. Now, here's the deal. Tether has been sketchy for a while now. The stock market just went down big time at the end of the week. But things are going backwards with SHIB and the market as a whole, which is good. So that's why there was rough seas. There's more now. When SHIB's price suddenly went up above 16.3, where the 50-day moving average is, it seemed like all hope was lost for cryptocurrency fans, and the golden cross in particular. Also, the price curve tried the indicating band again. And there was help from the bulls. The golden cross has two important parts. One is the 50-day moving average, which is the curve that crosses the other on the rise. Even though the price of SHIB dropped by a painful 10%, the bulls were able to keep it in the area between the two moving averages. It only backs up the first guess that SHIB might be ready for a golden cross, but it still looks good for everyone who likes SHIB. As we can see, the price of SHIB is now below the moving average of the last 20 days. Let's look at the business side of things. It's almost a tie. Look at the 10, 20 and 30-day time frames here. They show that we are below our current baseline values. If we look at our 50-day, 100-day and at least the EMA 200, not so much the SMI 200, which are longer term moving averages, we feel like we should buy. In fact, the fact that we had the dip on SHIB was very important. But the fact that we got back up and stayed above water, or more accurately, above some of these long-term time frames or moving averages, is a really big deal. And this is kept in check, okay? Still shows a bright future. And that golden cross may still be in the works, okay? Since the bulls stepped in when they did, there is still a chance that this will happen. Pretty much yesterday and now in the market, we'll now look at the market as a whole. We'll talk about this again soon. It's back up about 1% today though at 67.5. The rest of the market is the same. We can see that Shiba Inu is up 0.6% if we scroll down. It is still between Avalanche and Bitcoin Cash in terms of market cap. Bitcoin Cash recently moved ahead of Chainlink to take the 14th spot. In general though, the market isn't doing great today. There isn't much going on, but it was a great return. Now I do believe that the price of SHIB will make a big comeback at some point in this cycle. I already said that Ethereum will play a big role. Right now, Ethereum is worth less than $2,000. As you can see, the last year has not been great for ETH. Okay, this is the outlook for the year. If you look at this, you can see that it happened within the last year. Yeah, November 2023 was the worst month of the market cycle, the worst month of the bear market. We were less than 2,000. In March, we had that pop-up man where we went over 4,000. Okay, so that was a few different times. Then we had a nice run up there in June. Then there was another good run up in July. However, since that time, man, look at this. We've been stuck way down here ever since August, September, and October. It's been really rough here. But I think that at some point the price will go through another big jump like it did in February and March, when it went from approximately where it is now a little lower to 4K. When that happened, or rather when that happened, SHIB went up 100% in about a week, if you remember February. It has a lot to do with Ethereum, right? We understand this. Also, these are the lights for the week as you can see. Check out what went on in February and March. Look at these two lights that burn once a week. A lot of motion moves. We broke our zero. We were back here at 5,000 units, broken our zero and EBIL all the way up to 4 and 6. This was a crazy thing to do in just 2 weeks. Look at this. Look at that move of 235%. That was crazy. Guys, I mean over the course of 2 weeks with SHIB. It's clear that we've gone back down since then. That being said, if you look at this weekly, things have been getting better since the middle of September. Here it is again, the weekly chart. Things have been getting better for about a month to 5 weeks now. We're basically getting stronger. Of course, there was a little drop this week to end things, but we are still holding the important line. Again, if we look at the weekly candles for this time frame, we can see that we are above the 20-day moving average. The RSI also looks good. Listen up guys, I think SHIB will come back no matter what. It's just a matter of when it takes place. And if you want to trade with me on Mardex, you can find links to our trades below. Also, XT Algo gives you simple visual clues to win, to know when to get in and when to get out of trades if you're serious about dealing and want to make the most money in this market. If you're on the road or in a hotel, you can use this at any time. It's easy to make your own messages that fit your needs. I show you how to do everything. It costs a little more than $1 a day to start, and you can get your money back in 30 days. You have 30 days to return the item and get your money back in full. Check out XT Algo if you're really into crypto. It can help you get better at dealing and show you the best times to buy and sell crypto. Thanks for watching everyone. See you in the next one. Goodbye.